Welcome back to Smart Education. Today I am going to solve chapter 3 triangle of 9th class practice set 3.3. So question number 1 is find the value of x and y using the information shown in the figure 3.37. Find the measure of angle ABD and measure angle ACD. So we'll start with solution. So what is given? Adjacent sides of angles are congruent, it is given, and triangle angle ABC is x and ACB is given 50 degree, angle DBC is given 60 degree, and angle DCB is given y degree. So we are going to find the value of x and y. So we'll start with that. So first I am going to write the given condition. So in triangle ABC, angle ABC is x, angle ACB is 50 degree, angle DBC is 60 degree, angle DCB is y. Okay, here as you can see segment AB is congruent to AC. Segment AB is congruent to AC. Okay, angle ABC is congruent to ACB. Angle ABC is congruent to ACB, angle of opposite congruent side. Okay, now here we can write now ABC, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Okay, now what is given? ABC is given x and ACB is what? 50. So angle ACB is how much? Because both are equal, so therefore angle ACB equal to 50. Okay, so this is also 50 degree. Now we got angle ACB equal to 50. X is equal to how much? 50 degree. Now next, in triangle BDC, in triangle BDC, here segment BD is congruent to CD. Segment BD is congruent to segment CD. It's given. Okay, now angle DCB is congruent to angle DBC. Angle opposite to congruent side. Okay, here angle DCB is equal to angle DBC. So y is equal to how much? 60 degree. So what we got? We got DCB equal to 60 degree. DCB equal to 60 degree. So we have find x and y value. Okay, now we are going to find remaining one. So therefore angle ABD equal to ABC plus DBC, angle with additional property. Angle with additional property. I hope you are understanding now. Next is what given? Angle ABD equal to ABC plus DBC. Okay, here angle ABD equal to ABC is given 50 degree plus DBC is given 60 degree. Now here we'll get 110 degree, that is angle ABD. We got ABD as 110 degree. Okay, now next step. So we'll write angle ACB is equal to angle ACD is equal to angle ACB plus angle DCB. ACD equal to ACB and DCB. Angle ACD equal to 50 plus 60 degree. Now angle ACD equal to 110. So therefore what we got x value as 50, y value as a 60. We have find out angle ABD equal to 110 degree and ACD equal to 110 degree. Okay, now we have solved question number 1 of practice set 3.1. Now we are going to solve question number 2. Now question number 2 is the length of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 15. Find the length of median of its hypotenuse. So here this question will going to solve with the help of formula, that is length of hypotenuse, first we'll write, is 15. Okay, therefore length of median on its hypotenuse is equal to half length of hypotenuse. Okay, so what is given? 15 given, so half multiplied by 15 will get 7.5 units. Okay, so therefore length of median on its hypotenuse 7.5 unit. We have solved question number 2 of practice set 3.3 with the help of this formula. Now we are going to solve question number 3 now. Question number 3. In triangle PQR, angle Q is given 90 degree, PQ is given 12, QR is given 5 and QS is given, QS is what? QS is a median. So find the length of QS. So we have to find the length of this QS. So we'll start with the given solution. So I'm writing in triangle PQR, Q is given as 90 degree. Okay, see, the presentation in geometry is very important. Once you follow with the concept it is very easy, so follow the steps. So PQ is equal to 12 given, QR is equal to 5 given. We have to find what? We have to find QS, length of, we have to find the length of QS. So here I am writing now, in triangle PQR, angle Q is given 90 degree, PQ is given 12 and QR is given 5. So here we are going to use Pythagoras theorem to solve this problem. So I am writing PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. Okay, now here PR square equal to 12 square plus 5 square. Now PR square equal to 144 plus 25. Again PR square equal to 169. Therefore PR equal to 13 unit. We got 13 by taking square root on both sides. Okay, now here we can write length QS is equal to line QS is equal to half of line PR. Okay, so here QS is equal to half of PR is given, what is given PR? It's given 12. Okay, so as we know, the length of median is half of hypotenuse. So here you can see PR. PR is what? PR is a half of QS. So we'll solve like this. Now line QS is equal to, when we divide this we'll get 6.5 unit. We have solved question number 3 of practice set 3.3. Now we are going to solve question number 4 of practice set 3.3. Now question number 4 is given in figure 3.38. This one, point G is the point of concurrence of median. This one, point G of triangle PQR. Of triangle PQR, if GT, this GT equal to 2.5, find the length of PG and PT. So we have to find the length of PG and PT. So I'll start with given solution. Here in triangle PQR, GT is given 2.5. Okay, so therefore PG, this is PG and this is upon GT, okay, equal to 2:1 ratio. We'll write the reason. The centroid divide each median in the ratio of 2:1. Okay, now here therefore PG upon, in the place of GT we are going to write 2.5 because GT is given what? 2.5 equal to 2/1. Now cross multiply, will get PG equal to 2.5 multiplied by 2. Therefore, PG is 5 unit. After multiplying, this both will get 5 unit. So we found PG as 5 unit. Now we have to find PT. So here PT is equal to PG plus GT. PT is equal to what? PG plus GT. Therefore, PT equal to 5 plus 2.5. So PT is equal to 7.5 units. Okay. So we have solved question number 4 of 3.3. I hope you understand. Please follow the step. It is very easy. The presentation is very important in geometry. If you do the presentation step by step, if you understand the concept, it is very easy. So follow it. And if you like my video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.